Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error with the error code 0x803f8001 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is WS reset, which means we are resetting the Microsoft Store. We are deleting its cache file. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command WS reset and hit enter. This will reset the cache, and now wait for a few seconds till it rebuilds the cache and reopens the Microsoft Store. Most probably it will fix the problem, but if it does not, then the second solution will definitely fix it. So we have a command for you. It's a PowerShell command. Search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Paste it here and hit enter. This will re-register the Microsoft Store, which is equivalent to reinstalling it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.